Mae Cegidfa wedi codi'r pedwerydd safle yng Nghyngre'r Gogledd Cymru ar ôl ennill 4 gêm ddiwetha gan sgorio 3 gol ym mhob un o'r gemau rheini. Enillodd Gresffordd o 7-1 yn erbyn Port erbyn wythnos dwytha. Bron i'r ymwelwyr fynd ar y blaen wedi hanner awr, ond Dan Holland yn camsefyll. Wedi'r egwyl digwyddiad od a deud y llia. Joel Cylsio'n cael cardyn coch wrth baratoi ddil baratau fel eilydd i Gresffordd am wrthodd a gwrando ar gyfarwyddiadau'r tîm dyfarnu. Gan nad oedd Cylsio wedi dod ar y cae, roedd Gresffordd yn parhau chwarae efo 11 dyn, ond ddim am hir. Tacl gwych gan Martin Williams a chardyn coch heiddiannol y tro yma. Gyda llai na 5 munud i'w chwarae, fe ddaeth y gol fuddigol. Callum Bromley'n dod o hyd i Adam Jenkins a cynta'n gyrru ergyd isel heibio John Hildon, sy'n sicrhau 5 buddigoliaeth yn olynol i griw Cegidfa.
Mae rhaid ni gweithio'n galed, ond dyn ni'n neud yna wythnos i wythnos. Wel, 3 pwynt dyn ni'n cael. Dyn ni'n dal yn fyny ar y top rhywle. Dyna lle mae'r bechgyn eisiau bod bob wythnos.
Game plan was to try and get against the wind first half and manage the game, get through that, and then second half try and play a bit more football. But obviously with the substitution, like obviously what happened with that and then the second red card, we were kind of all over the place for 15 minutes, and then by the time just readjusted, and then obviously the late goal. But over the whole course of the game, I think we've done really well.
And going back to the first red card, bizarre situation. What we've been told is that he wasn't standing at the halfway line.
Yeah, so from what I could see is that the linesman was asking Joe to come to the halfway line and he was stood 2 yards away. Joe turned around and said, I'm 2 yards away with his fingers. I think the referee's then seen 2 fingers and thought he was swearing at him and sent him off. And then obviously then there's the uproar of, can we bring someone on to replace him, or are we down to 10 men? So we obviously took a few minutes to get to adjust to that. And then obviously the second red card, he said it's excessive force, but I don't know how he's supposed to tackle if that's excessive.